this morning I'll be trying out a mask from Aveeno. This is the Repairing Hand Mask. I tried out the foot mask in this collection earlier this year. If you'd like to watch that video, I'll include the link right there. It was okay. It wasn't like earth-shattering or anything. I don't know, I just thought price point, it was just a little bit overpriced when compared to the BALM that is in the same collection. The hand and the foot mask are $4.99 each, whereas the BALM is $16.99, but you get a crap ton of really concentrated product. It's almost like Vaseline, it's not really moving. But either way, I still wanted to try the hand mask out. This is being sold as a mask that helps repair extra dry problem skin. And if you're new here, I try out new masks all the time. They're one of my favorite products to review. And if you'd like to check out my playlist, you can click the card right up there. Also, if you're enjoying this video while watching it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about this hand mask, don't go anywhere, just keep watching. As I said earlier, I picked this up for $4.99, and on Aveeno's website, it says, "Give dry hands some much needed relief." Aveeno's repairing CICA, I'm not really entirely sure what that stands for. Hand mask gloves help restore essential moisture and balance to extra dry skin so your hands look smoother and feel softer. They're also easy to use. Just wash and dry your hands, slip on the gloves for 10 minutes and remove. Okay, here we go. What is CICA? This comes from the French word cicatrisation, and I'm totally aware that I just butchered that name. This includes 1 pair of moisturizing hand gloves. It's enriched with shea butter and probiotico, gentle enough for the most sensitive skin, easy to use, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. This is also good for dry and sensitive skin. So for ingredients, there is glycerin, which is a skin replenishing ingredient. There is oatmeal flour and oatmeal oil, which are your skin soothing ingredients. There's also shea butter in this, which is a really rich moisturizer. And there really is no added fragrance in this, which is awesome. For whatever reason, it's super hard to find any sort of skincare that doesn't have added fragrance in it. Better roll up my sleeves for this one. I just have this ability to make the simplest thing messy. Insert one hand into each glove and fasten strap for comfort. So they give you these ridiculously large gloves. They are perforated, but I think it might have sprung a leak somewhere because there's a little bit of fluid on the outside. I've tried one of these hand masks before, and I remember them being super cringy. Oh yeah, hold on, before I put the other one on, there are these little sticky tabs here, and you just peel, and, oh, handy. So they stay on if you have tiny wrists. All right. So how long am I supposed to leave these on for? I have to keep this on for 10 minutes. Okay. So the last time I tried a hand mask out, put the link to that video up there, it was not the most comfortable feeling in the world. There was a super amount of product in that mask. It just felt like that feeling where you put wet socks on your feet, very similar. This time around, it's not that bad, and I think it's because Aveeno put just the right amount of product in. It's still a really funky feeling though, putting your hands in, for what all intents purposes are just bags filled with moisturizer, but it's not super cringy. Time is 4:26, so I will see you in 10 minutes. Time is 4:37. Time to take these off. One thing to note before I do though is I was sitting here and I was like, I don't remember there being so much moisturizer in these gloves when I first put them on, and then it occurred to me that my hands were starting to sweat profusely. So that's just a little side effect of these things. Oh yeah, super sweaty hands. So there was just a slight amount of product left. There wasn't a crazy amount of serum in these gloves. So I didn't dislike this. I mean, I like how my hands look. They look nice and moisturized. I just can't get past the fact though that the Aveeno Cracked Skin Balm is way better value for your money. They just give you way more product, and looking at the ingredients for both, they're essentially the same. The balm has a higher concentration of fatty alcohol, which is actually a good thing, but for all intents and purposes, the ingredients are pretty much the same. If you're looking for a really rich moisturizer for dry skin, the balm is probably the better way to go. It's called the Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief Balm, and they give you 312 grams of product for $16. If you're looking for a fun novelty mask, there's nothing wrong with this one. My skin feels hydrated and moisturized. It's just for everyday regular use. The balm is definitely the better way to go. But as always, if you have any questions about either of these products, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!